In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate and utilize app.todoist.com for exporting your tasks. Whether you're a seasoned Todoist user looking to streamline your productivity routine, or you're new to the app and eager to get organized, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're able to get the most out of Todoist's features. First, let's begin by accessing Todoist. You'll need to log into your account, so make sure you're near your device and ready to follow along. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Todoist login URL, which will take you directly to the login page. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Please ensure you input the email address associated with your Todoist account to avoid any login issues. Next, it's time to enter your password. Make sure to type in your password carefully. If you've forgotten it, there's usually a forgot password link to help you reset it. But assuming all is well, once you've entered your credentials, click the login button to access your Todoist dashboard. You should now be looking at the main interface of Todoist, where all your tasks and projects reside. Once logged in, proceed by navigating to the Today view. This section displays tasks due on the current date, providing an at-a-glance view of your immediate priorities. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're interested in more than just today's tasks. We'll be exporting tasks from a specific project. Now, to find the project you want to export tasks from, click on the Home button located typically at the top left corner of the interface. This will bring up a list of all your projects. Here you can navigate through your projects, but for today we'll focus on a particular project as our example, so go ahead and select the project you're interested in exporting tasks from. Inside your selected project, you'll notice 3 dots or an options menu near the project name. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a contextual menu with various options. For our purposes, look for an option labeled Export as CSV. CSV files are versatile and can be opened with many spreadsheet programs, making them a great choice for exporting task lists. Upon clicking Export as CSV, a new prompt or window will appear, giving you further options for how you want to export your tasks. Here, you simply want to confirm or proceed by clicking Export. This action initiates the process of converting your project's tasks into a CSV file, which is compatible with most spreadsheet software, allowing for further analysis, sharing, or archiving of your tasks outside of Todoist. It's important to note where your browser saves downloaded files, as this is where your exported CSV file will be located. Usually, browsers default to a Downloads folder, but this can vary depending on your settings. Once the export is complete, navigate to your download location, and there you'll find your CSV file neatly containing all tasks from the specified project. Exporting tasks from Todoist in this manner can be incredibly useful for a variety of purposes. Whether you're looking to back up your tasks, share them with a colleague, or simply prefer to work on them in a spreadsheet format, the export function is a feature that enhances the versatility of Todoist, allowing you to work in ways that best suit your personal productivity style. To wrap up, let's recap what we've covered. Starting from logging into Todoist, navigating to a specific project, and then successfully exporting tasks as a CSV file, we've traversed the essential steps you need to follow to get your tasks out of Todoist and into a more flexible format. Remember, staying organized and finding processes that complement your workflow can significantly impact your productivity. With Todoist, you're equipped with a powerful tool that, when used effectively, can help streamline your tasks and projects. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you precisely how to export tasks into Todoist. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of your digital tools and keep your productivity on the right track.